He's very excited.
Okay. This one, yes. You do that one. Come on. Tell Dad. You know how to do it. Ready? Okay, here we go. Parker. Right there, bud. Don't come out in the street. Don't come out in the street. Don't cry. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Come on, let's go get the other one. There's one more. More.
Hey, Parker. Parker, let me see your trash.
The recycling. Yeah, it's very important to recycle. Here we go.
Hey, Amy.
All right. How many are out here? 1, 2, 3. Yes. All right. Now tomorrow morning, the trash man comes. Trash day.
Parker, trash day.
You see the trash truck?
Truck. Boy. That's the truck.
Trash truck? Oh, boom! Boom.
Oh. We gotta do a little 3-point turn.
Bring it back up.
Did Justine tell you about last night? Or not last night, the night before. It's 4 o'clock in the morning.
Ned, let him turn so he can.
They're talking about we got up. That's right. You got it.
Oh, it's really cool. Oh, here we go. October 3rd. Yeah. Get over there in the driveway. Wave goodbye. Wave goodbye, Parker.
What did you say? You want more? More? More, please? Please? Oh, you want the trash truck? More trash truck, please? Parker, more trash Oh, there's Pop.